Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine. Workbook of Science, grade 3. So in this video we are going to start week 6 from the planning of science. So in week 6 there is the start of new lesson, which is unit 3, living on earth. So for that you have to open workbook page number, science workbook page number 21. Concept check. Complete these sentences using the correct word from the list at the end of each one. So you have to fill all these blanks by using the words, by choosing the words that are given at the end of each sentence. Alright, so number 1. Dash living things breathe. All, some, no. So the right option is all. All living things can breathe. So you have to write all in the blank. All living things breathe. Number 2. Fish dash through dash. Options are eat, breathe, gills, fins. So the right options are breathe and gills. Fish breathe through gills. Number 3. Leaves taken dash through dash. Options are air, water, stomata, food. So leaves taken air through stomata. Stomata are the tiny holes on the leaves. So leaves taken air through stomata. You have to write L in the first blank and stomata in the second blank. Leaves taken air through stomata. Next is discuss and answer. How have the following animals adopted? Where do they live? And talk about parts of their body which they help them to survive in their habitats. First one is camel. Camel lives mostly in deserts, as we all know. So in the desert there is a lack of water. Water is not available everywhere. So to live in that habitat, camel have their special part, that is hump. In the hump, camel can store the water for almost 2 to 3 days. Alright, so they complete their need of water from their hump in which their water is stored. Alright, so they adopted hump to live in this kind of habitat, that is desert. And secondly, they have long eyelashes. That eyelashes save their eyes from the sand, as there is a desert area have a sandy land. Next is fish. Fish lives in water. Next is polar bear. Polar bear lives in polar region, and polar bear have thick fur, as polar bear lives in the cold area, so that fur save them from the cold. Okay, last one is tiger. It lives in forest. It has sharp teeth through which it can easily hunt their food. Now next, page number 22. Look at the pictures given below and write the characteristics of living beings. You have to write the characteristics of all living things which are shown in these pictures. So if we see this picture, a seed goes into the adult plant. So from this picture we can say that living things can grow. But here are the plants, so you can describe its characteristic by writing this. Plants can grow. So its characteristic is plants can grow. Next is you can easily see in this picture that human being, this man is taking air in his body. So this is the process of breathing. So you can write here the characteristic of this picture. Living things can breathe. Living things can breathe. Next is, here is the dog and here is its baby dog. So from this picture we get that living things can reproduce. Here is the person is moving. Living things can move. Its characteristic is living things can move. Next is cow is eating. Alright. So here you can describe living things can eat. Next is page number 23, habitats. Match the animals with their habitats. All these are habitats and these are animals. You have to match these animals with their habitats. Okay, first one is pond. Pond. In pond, which animals is living from all these ones? Frog lives in pond. So you have to match pond with frog. Next is cave. In cave, from these animals, bat live in cave. So you have to match bat with cave. Next is polar bear. Polar bear is the habitat of polar region. Polar region is the habitat of polar bear. So you have to match these both. Next is rotten log. Rotten log is the habitat of beetle. So you have to match rotten log with beetle. Next is sea. Sea is the habitat of whale. So you have to match sea with whale. Last one is rainforest. Rainforest is the habitat of hummingbird. So you have to match rainforest with hummingbird. So this was the week 6 video part 1. Remaining lesson of week 6 will be discussed in the week 6 video part 2. So till that, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, fi aman Allah.